So what we're going to do now is we're going to load paper and test the printer. And so I lifted up this cover right here. I'm just going to pull the tray out, and we're going to put paper in it. The paper is a very flexible, interesting paper tray. And so the first thing to note is that it accommodates both letter and legal size. To accommodate a larger size, what we do is we flip this tab this way, this tab there, and then we're going to slide this out, and we're going to flip the tab back into place. This provides us the size we need for legal paper. Then for the width, we're going to fold that out, and so we're going to put some plain letter size paper in to test the printer, and we're going to put it back in. Note the paper tray does stick out a little bit when we've adjusted it for the larger size. All right. So what we're going to do first, we're going to do a nozzle check, and to do a nozzle check, we can either do a nozzle check from the front panel of the printer, or we can do it from the computer. Right now, since we've not done the computer portion of this install, we're going to do it through the front panel. You push the menu key, then you'll push the down arrow key until the display reads maintenance. Then we're going to slowly push the enter key 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And you'll note that the nozzle check comes out, and there it is. The nozzle check usually will not be perfect on an ink charge, in this case it is space, but it will become perfect in a short time with one cleaning. Okay? Next, what we're going to do is we're going to print a configuration page. We're going to do a configuration page. We'll push the menu key again, and we're going to go down to list/test print, and then we'll push the enter key twice. You can see it's quite fast. This page will also tell us the IP address and other information which will be valuable in the future. Okay. So there's our configuration page. What we're going to do now is we're going to do a cleaning and to make our nozzle check good to go. And so we're going to, again, we'll start from online position, push the menu key, push the down arrow key to maintenance, push the enter key, and we're going to go down to head cleaning, push the enter key. And this printer is a little different from other printers. It will actually ask us which heads we want to clean. We can choose one of any of these, and it has 4 print heads. In this case, we're going to go ahead and clean all. Usually 1 head cleaning is all we need at this point in time, occasionally 2. What we're going to do next to finish the installation of the printer itself is we're going to run the print head alignments. This printer has 2 alignments, one for horizontal, one for vertical. The horizontal alignment is called paper feed adjust. The vertical is called print head adjustment. And we're going to run those, and that allows us to tune the printer to make sure that it's printing perfectly. The symptoms of needing to do a print head alignment would be if you're seeing bands going across the page, could be a symptom of alignment, could also be a symptom of the nozzle check issue. Could also be a symptom of improper settings. Just about done, and then we're going to do another nozzle check and verify that we're good to go. One thing to look at, there's a little switch right here on the printer, and this is the switch that allows you to go to a thick paper mode like an envelope. In general, we keep this switch in the down position for normal paper. Okay, let's do another nozzle check, and we're going to go ahead and get back to online position, push our menu key, push the down arrow key till we get to maintenance, and then we're going to push the enter key 3 times. And we're really good to go. I see just a couple of tiny specks on it, but it looks good.